Good morning, children. Today we are going to study first stanza of the poem From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, let us come to the poem. First two lines. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Here, the poet compare the speed of the railway carriage to the speed of fairies and witches. It is believed that they used to fly. The fairies and witches used to fly instead of walking like human beings. They also used to carry a magical stick in their hand. Children, you might have you might have seen these two characters in the cartoon channels, fairies and witches. Both are magical creatures and both have magical power. But what is the difference between fairies and witches? Fairies used it for good purpose. At the same time, witches used it for a evil purpose. So I hope you understood the difference between fairies and witches. Now, next two lines. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Here, children, while the poet was traveling, he saw through the window bridges, houses, hedges, and ditches. Children, bridges means it is used to cross across a river or other small water bodies. Also, he saw lots of houses in different shape, size, and color. Hedges means natural fence or a boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Now, the another side which he saw through the window is ditches. Ditches means it is a long, narrow, open channel to pass water at the side of a road or field to hold or carry away water. Okay, children, even you would have seen all these things while traveling in a train or a bus, right? Now, next two lines. And charging along like troops in a battle. Here, the poet compare the movement of the railway carriage is like troops in a battle. So here, the poet explains that when the troops rush forward for a battle or charging in a battle, there will be lots of noise and there will be lots of smoke, dust, etc. Likewise, in the same way, when the train starts move, it make a noise and emitted smoke. But children, nowadays there is no smoke in the train because they run with the help of electricity. They are an electric train. But in those days, steam engines were used. Coal is used as a fuel in it. So, how the battlefield will be with noise and smoke, the train also make noise and smoke while moving. Next line. All through the meadows, the horses and cattle. The next scene which the poet sees through the windows are horses and cattle on the meadows. Here, children, meadows means it is a grassland. There is not much trees and it is used for grazing animals. We see lots of animals on the meadows like a cow, buffalo, sheep, etc. Here the poet mentioned about horses and cattle. Cattle means group of domestic animals including yak, bisons, buffaloes, etc. Okay. Now children, uh, just we will see what are the sites mentioned in the first stanza. Yes children, what are the sites mentioned in the first stanza? The sites mentioned in the first stanza are bridges, houses, hedges, ditches, meadows, horses and cattle. These are the sites mentioned in the first stanza. Now, let us see rhyming words of first stanza. Witches and ditches rhyming with each other and battle and cattle also rhyming with each other. So rhyming words are witches, ditches and battle, cattle. Now let us see figures of speech of first stanza. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Here the figure of speech is repetition because the word faster repeated in the line. Another figure of speech is and charging along like troops in a battle. Here the figure of speech is simile because the movement of the train directly compared to troops in a battle by using the word like. Okay. Now children, let us see rhyming. A rhyme scheme of first stanza is A B C B D E F E, because the last word of second and fourth line rhyming with each other, and last word of sixth line and eighth line rhyming with each other. Okay. All the four stanzas have the same rhyme scheme in this poem. Okay. Children, today we stop here. I hope you understood first stanza. You have to complete your assignment. Remaining part we will study in the next class. Okay.